quick.
I don't know if you could see that, but that's a yellow signal for, I don't know what train it is yet, but I'll ask one of the boys. We should be getting 507 as well. Hopefully no kids trespass on the tracks again.
Train.
Alright guys, so we have a blinking yellow signal, and we have the same problem as yesterday. The kids from yesterday are back on the track.
But they're gone.
No, they're still there, I can see them. And we of course have to have 2 trains lined up on NS and a shoreline. But I'm pretty sure the NS is gonna come first. But here we go. Alright, so we got the NS train coming. Pretty sure we have the same lineup that we had yesterday. Eddie, come on! Going for St. John's. Eddie, come on! Oh, wait, this is not Eddie, come on, come on! Come on! Come on! Same problem we had yesterday. Kids on the tracks that go to my school. They're the same kids from yesterday. Do not trespass on the tracks. That's 64. And 333 can have these cars.
And I saw some dubs on him too.
No, 507 has an SD60 on him this time. Bad, I hope no one got hit. Canas. Canis?
So that train
Canis.
Since NS 507's here. No, what train is gonna be here? Alright, this is 54, y'all. Shockingly. As y'all can tell.
You didn't stop recording, did you? I'm gonna zoom out a little bit.
I think it's still filming.
Yeah, it's still filming. Same problem as yesterday.
Whoever this train's coming out first track, it's coming here.
Yeah, I could legit see them on the track again. They know me and I know them. If you guys don't know, yesterday I had the same problem. There's kids on the tracks. Oh, there's cars crossing there. Goddard or something? Goddard? Antoine? Cars crossing at Goddard, I think.
Wait, if it has like the little train, like an engine, like around
Probably
here?
have an EPU. Yeah, you said EPU last time. It's DPU. With a D, not
okay.
EPU, I think. EPU.
Let me check about the PPU. Want me to check?
No, not yet. Well,
Yo, wait, hold on. I'm gonna check it again.
Eddie, stop! Stop! Get off. No DPU today. There are the. I hope no one got hit.
Oh yeah, so that was 334.
Well, I'm pretty sure if it hit someone, I'm pretty sure the train would have stopped. And it didn't stop.
We have another train that's coming in the first ferry.
All right, CNS 334. Now let's proceed on with 507. Here we go. Alright, clap.
Yeah, we're gonna have to pause it.
Start your video, start your video.
CM detector, mile 39.6. Northbound, no defects. Temperature 5.4 F. Total axles 9.4. Speed 4.1. Detector out.
41.
Alright, signal changed. Blinking yellow over green again. Advanced approach medium. And also, the signal down there is also green.
Guys,
Here we go.
if you're 4-1, that's insane.
He's going 41 miles an hour.
Yeah, which means he's going insanely fast,
I know.
which is not good. So yeah, but
The signal changed to a blinking yellow over green.
shockingly. Yeah, I'm about to
Do not worry, when I see his headlights, I will back up.
I'm gonna, well, I'm not gonna pause. So okay, this guy's working hot, so I recommend start recording from the corner, cause he is going in.
There he is. There he is. Here we go.
There he is.
Are you filming? Are you filming, Eddie?
I put some good shorts, bro. I put some shorts.
Here, Eddie, film your camera like this. Put it like the. Wait, are you already filming?
Yeah.
That's too late now. Here, Eddie, get out of shot. Get out of shot. Get out of shot.
I'm sorry.
Well, you weren't in it yet. I was just telling you to watch out.
He's
I see 10, 100 again. 41 miles an hour. Advanced approach medium. He's going fast. Like, I'm talking fast. He has IC Death Star leading and a SD60 trailing. And a Jevo trailing
I'm
too.
gonna back up because he's going pretty hot.
Alright. Do what you do. Should activate any second. No auto racks on them.
But guys, as you can tell, the big signal just changed.
Alright, seeing L507 with another Death Star.
Yay.
Alright guys, so maybe thanks for watching, but I'm probably gonna stick around for another one, so maybe see you when he comes.